All right, 5:38 your current time on this Friday morning. Starting off with a view of radar. Not a whole lot going on in the Memphis area this morning. We've got a couple of light showers out there, but for the most part, we are waking up dry. I wanted to zoom out though because you can see our storm system that's coming in later today back in Texas. They've got all kind of weather watches and warnings in effect in the Dallas-Fort Worth area right now, back toward Austin and San Antonio, and that is all headed in our direction, unfortunately, a little bit later this evening. Here's our latest severe weather outlook. You see that bullseye, the highest risk area in southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, and through much of Mississippi. That's the level 4 out of 5 in red, and that risk now does include parts of the city of Memphis and a good chunk of our counties in northern Mississippi and eastern Arkansas. Everybody else, most of western Tennessee and northeastern Arkansas, in a level 3 out of 5. That's still nothing to shy away from. Pretty much what I'm saying is anybody has the potential to see severe thunderstorms later today. That highest risk area, the best ingredients for severe weather, they are in place in that red area in southeastern Arkansas into northern Mississippi. That highest risk time frame starting around 6 p.m. So most of the day today going to be dry, but after dinner time into tonight, even a little bit past midnight, that is when those storms are going to roll through the mid-south. As far as your storm threats, some storms, in fact, likely many storms, will be producing damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. That can do damage. It doesn't take a tornado to do damage. Wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, you're going to have power outages and trees likely coming down. Flooding rain also a concern, 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area. And unfortunately, with the ingredients that are in place, a few tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Not every storm is going to produce a tornado, but it does look likely that at least a couple of storms could try to produce one. Here's a look at your storm fuel. The brighter the colors on this map, the more fuel there is. And you'll notice why that highest risk is in northern Mississippi. Those colors are a little brighter down there, so the storms have more energy to work with. They have a better chance of turning severe, but everybody has at least a little storm fuel. It's just the highest risk is going to be down in northern Mississippi. Already warm this morning, temperatures in the 60s to near 70 across the mid-south, and it is breezy out there. Wind gusts already up to 24 miles an hour in Memphis, and we're going to remain breezy through the day today. Mostly cloudy skies, maybe a couple of peaks of sunshine. We really don't want sunshine because that's just going to provide more fuel for the storms. Temperatures getting to near 80 this afternoon, and again, the best chance of storms going to come in by 6 p.m. and especially a little closer to 8 p.m. here in the city of Memphis. Here's what the hour-by-hour radar looks like. Again, we could have some showers through the morning. I don't expect a lot of rain through the daytime, but over the next several hours, we could have a little bit of rain. Lunchtime to dinner time today, pretty much dry. I think the evening commute is going to be fine. Notice by 6 p.m., here comes that line of thunderstorms into eastern Arkansas. Truman, Wynne, Harrisburg, Blytheville by around 7 p.m. That line's going to be crossing the Mississippi River into Memphis by around 8 p.m. We are going to have a Grizzlies game going on downtown around that time. If you are going to be out at that game, you got to have a way to stay informed and stay ahead of this severe weather threat. Those storms will likely be moving out of Memphis by 10 p.m. tonight, but they'll just now be moving through northern Mississippi, western Tennessee, likely over towards Selma and Corinth a little closer to 10 p.m., and then completely out of the area by midnight tonight. Certainly by the time you wake up Saturday morning, all the storms will be done. In fact, a really nice weekend coming up. So if you're planning on doing drinks tonight, maybe hold off until the weekend. Enjoy it on a patio. We're going to have sunshine this weekend, highs in the 70s. Next week looking pretty nice too, a little cooler, 60s and 70s for your highs with a mix of sun and clouds. After tonight, our next chance of rain doesn't come in until Thursday night. So we've got a nice stretch of weather after today for about the next 6 days.